Hello, this is Professor Winson, speech 113. This is a brief tutorial on the first task that you need to complete for the Getting Started work. All the Getting Started work needs to be completed by the end of this week. If you have any questions about this, you can email me at awinson@jjay.cony.edu. So the first task that you need to do out of there'll be 6 tasks in total, is to create a video, a brief video about 30 seconds, answering the question, what is the most important issue or problem in the world today? This could be a political problem, it could be a social problem, it could be a scientific problem, it could be really anything that you think is something that should be discussed and talked about and thought about and studied that's going on in the world today. What you need to do is the following. You need to start by brainstorming for ideas. You can brainstorm for ideas by going to the New York Times at www.nytimes.com, seeing what the headlines are, choose a topic or an event that is important to you, and then read a little bit about it. Then you need to organize your ideas into simple, brief, and ordered notes. If you can create an outline, that would be great. If not, just create a list for yourself so you can use that list to organize your thoughts as you put your speech together. Then you should practice your speech and try to make sure that you're not talking more than 45 seconds. And then set up a webcam on your computer, or you can use the camera on your smartphone and make a video answering the question. Again, please make sure that it's no more than 45 seconds. Then you need to upload your video to YouTube or some other online service. YouTube is very simple, and I'm going to show you the process for doing that in this tutorial. Then once your video is uploaded to YouTube, paste a link of that into your student blog space, and again I'll show you how to do that in this tutorial. Make sure to title your blog Getting Started, task number 1, important issue. And then I'd like you to view the videos of 2 other students and add comments to their blogs. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to find a topic to speak about. At this point, what you're seeing here is the front page or the articles from the New York Times. You just go to www.nytimes.com. You can see it right up there. And then you could take a look at all of the subject headings. Here they are. World, U.S., politics, New York. This is all news from the area, arts, opinion, health, science, sports. And let's say you're interested in science. You can click on that and then see what articles are here and see if you can find an interesting topic. You might be on the weather. It might be on nuclear industry and accidents that happen in nuclear industry, or anything that you find here. In any case, I would begin with this subject heading over here on the side. Pick something that's interesting and then see to find an article that's interesting, and then use that to brainstorm your discussion of what you think is the most interesting or important issue that's going on in the world today. Okay, so for this example, I have decided that the most important issue that's going on in my life is the war in Afghanistan, and I've created there's my topic, and I've created a 2-part outline. Notice that the first main point deals with the fact that there is a security threat to the world, and I want to talk about the Afghanistan as a security threat in the world, and then I want to talk about the personal interest for me is that my son is a Marine, and his possible deployment in Afghanistan worries me. And so I've got a 2-part outline here, one talking about the issue, the second talking about how it relates to me personally. So here's the outline, and the next thing I would do is I would practice speaking this out a few times before I videotape it, make sure that I know what I want to say, and then I'm going to go ahead and videotape it. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so hi, there I am. I'm using a Windows application called Windows Live Movie Maker. I have a camera on my computer, and I've got my notes in front of me. I hang my notes up right on the screen right over here on the side so that I can see my notes while I'm speaking. And then when I'm ready, I'm going to click on record, and then I will record my 30-second to 45-second piece. Um, It'll be recorded. You need to make sure you know where the recording is so you can find it, and then you're going to take the best recording, because you may have to do it more than once, and then upload that recording into YouTube. And so I'm going to show you how to upload your video onto YouTube after you've recorded it. Okay, so here we are at YouTube. That's www.youtube.com. You need to set up a YouTube account. If you have a Gmail account, then it's very easy to set that up. But once you set up your YouTube account, you'll see your username over here, and then all you need to do is click on Upload, and then this window will open, and all you need to do is click here on Upload Video, and then go find the video that you created, and then open it, and it will save it. Once it's saved, you'll have a URL that you can then paste into your blog, and we'll show you how to do that also. There's the other option is you can actually record your video right here in YouTube from your webcam on your computer. So that's another easy way of doing it. Okay, so let's take a look at what a video looks like once it's uploaded to YouTube. And here's several videos that I have created, including personal videos and student videos. And so if, for instance, I want to upload this particular video onto my blog, what I'll do is I'll open it, and then if I want to share it, I click on Share, and then it gives me the URL, which is right there, that all I need to do is to copy it, and I'll do that now. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it into the blog. You can do the same thing for your video. Okay, so here we're now back into the Blackboard course, and if you want to put your video into your blog space, the first thing you want to do is click on Student Blogs, and then find the section that you're in. I'm teaching 4 sections of Speech 113 this semester, so you need to find your section. So let's say you're in section 22, and you click on that. Then you click on New Entry. At the top, you're going to type in Getting Started, task number 1, important issue. That'll be in the heading, and then right here in the text box, you just want to click into the text box, and I'm going to hit Control V, and there is the video that I copied just a few moments ago. And then right below that, I want to copy and paste the notes that I used. In order to copy and paste those notes, what I do is I'm going to go to those notes. I'm going to highlight them, hit Control C. This is if you're using a PC. I'm going to go back to the blog space, and then I'm going to hit Control V, and there is my outline. Now it doesn't quite look the same as an outline. That's okay. Because it's not indented, but I can see that that this student, if it was a student, understands the basic outlining format. Now you don't have to do this in an outlining form. You can just do this particular getting started task as a regular list or notes to yourself to remember what you want to say. Then you want to click Save, and once you click Save, then everyone can see your work. Your video is up here. You can click on that, and I'll be able to see it, and the notes are down below. When you have uploaded your work into your blog, it will be assigned to you. Your name will be assigned to it. Notice that this blog is assigned to me. There's my name. Um, and then I'd like you to find two other students who have done their work, and I'd like you to click on comments, and then you can add a comment there about their video. I really liked your video because it had important content, and I want to learn more about the war in Afghanistan. Okay, I don't think I got the spelling right, but that's the idea. Then you want to add the comment, and then you can see down here there's one comment in there. So you don't have to comment on yourself, but you should be commenting on one or two other students in your class. So that's the task number one for getting started. It's probably the one that's going to take you the longest. It needs to be in by the end of the week. There are four other tasks that you need to complete. One is a group discussion question. Basically, that question asks, after you've read the syllabus, what do you think is going to be the most difficult part of the course? And you should answer that in the group discussion area in 2, 3, 4 sentences, and then take a look at what other people in the class had said and respond to them. You need to reply to at least one other person. You need to also take the quiz for task number 3. There's an online quiz. You don't need the textbook for it, and this counts as extra credit. It doesn't count as full credit. Please send me an email from Blackboard using the Blackboard tools and communications area, and make sure to take a look at My Grades. It's in the tools area of your Blackboard course. Please have all this work in by Saturday, September 3rd by 6 p.m. and then on Monday we'll start module number 1. Good luck with this work, and I will see you